Community-based monitoring, a tool for creation of empowered demand for critical public services. Collectives have endured and strengthened. They have increased in confidence and self-concept. Dalit women leaders are recognized. Dalit community mostly is appreciative and supportive of the efforts of their women. However, impacting attitudes and capacities require time. Empowerment of the Dalit women has unleashed antagonism from caste forces and vested interest in local governance institutions. It still needs to be addressed.
जी हमारे बताया कि आप रसीद नहीं दिया करो, तो काफ़ी जगह रसीद और दुआ भी हो और कुछ थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम भी आवे है, लेकिन जने आवेदन कर दियो उन्हें हमारी कोशिश आई रहे कि रोजगार मिल जाए.
Outcomes: citizens' voices and start of a change. Recognition of rights and entitlements and the responsibility to demand is creating social capital. Access to service providers and relevant government departments has increased. New spaces for dialogue foster social inclusion of Dalits. In October of 2012, 89 Dalit women leaders attended Gram Sabha for the first time and presented applications demanding construction of 986 rainwater harvesting tanks for the needy under Mahatma Gandhi Narega. Community is now very conscious that they have to take receipt for work demand and plan in advance to avail 100 days work guarantee. Women collectives are making efforts for 100% linkage of eligible to social, food, education and employment security schemes. All institutional deliveries have received the benefit of Janani Suraksha Yojana. Vaccination was done for the first time in 7 villages of Falodi, where sub-centers were more than 7 kilometers from the Dalit locality, and there were no Anganwadis. ANMs now come to the community. 4 mini Anganwadis got sanctioned. Primary school in village Bhomnagar Moria of Falodi did not give utensils to Dalit children for midday meal and they were segregated. Community threatened action and the school administration gave a written apology. New utensils were immediately bought for all children. Women found that the service providers did not record non-linked households to avoid pressure. They started sharing the list of not linked eligible in return with the service provider and the monitoring authority. This builds pressure on the delivery system to make efforts to link such households. In a period of about 2 years, women's collectives have taken action in 115 cases of irregularities and discrimination in delivery. 666 households were linked with relevant government social security scheme. Children linked to vaccination have increased from 40% as per baseline to 72%. Registration of pregnant women increased from 47 to 68%. Between December 2011 and December 2012, institutional deliveries increased from 43 to 49%. Women leaders have started identifying health and nutrition related issues that perpetuate the cycle of malnutrition and increase the vulnerability of women and girls. In this way, they are trying to influence the patriarchal attitudes of their community. With the help of respective PHCs, women's groups are taking a leading role in organizing health awareness camps so that anemia in women, malnutrition in children, and stunted growth of adolescent girls can become the issues of the community and the panchayats. All these changes are rays of hope for a brighter future.